Hello dear student, मैं इंसान अली लेक्चर सुभाष देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद. Today in this online classes for class first year and second year subject English grammar, you have to read in synthesis chapter, and in this chapter by using adjectives, conjunction and adjectival phrase, you have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Before it, for many method, you have read that how two or more simple sentences add into one simple sentence, and today the last topic of simple sentence by using adjectives, conjunction or adjectival phrase, you have to learn, you have to read how to make one simple sentence by using adjective, conjunction or adjectival phrase. You know in your previous class what is adjective, you know in your previous class what is conjunction, and you know in your previous class what is adjectival phrase. I hope that you will be know about adjectives, conjunction and adjectival phrase. And today by the help of adjective, conjunction or adjectival phrase, we have to learn how to add one simple sentence by using two or more simple sentences. For example, first example, a man was strolling on the road. He was old, he had a stick in his hand. Here this is adjective, and a man subject, so an old man. This is adjective, with a stick in his hand is adjectival phrase. So the first example, an old man with a stick in his hand, comma, was strolling on the road. Here this is adjective and this is adjectival phrase. So by the using of adjective and adjectival phrase, the first example, an old man with a stick in his hand, comma, was strolling on the road. The next example, he devoted himself to public affairs. He never took a holiday. This continued for 30 days. So he had not taken any leave. So without taking a holiday, comma, he devoted himself to public affairs continually for 30 days. Here adverb, and this is preposition and gerund. So without taking a holiday, he devoted himself to public affairs continually for 30 days. The next example, Bhamana went to Aligarh. Ruchi went with her. Here are two simple sentences. and by the using of conjunction you have to add these two sentences into one simple sentence. Here first subject is Bhavana and second is Ruchi. You have to add these two subject with conjunction and. Bhavana and Ruchi went to Aligarh. In this way, you have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. The next example. A boy was punished the boy was naughty. A boy was punished, the boy was naughty. Here this word is adjective and you have to convert this adjective before this subject. A naughty boy was punished. A boy was punished, the boy was naughty. So you have to add these two simple sentences into one simple sentence by using adjective. A naughty boy was punished. The next example. A boy was weeping. He was poor. Here this word is adjective. So you have to add this adjective before this subject. A poor boy was weeping. The other example. A man died on the road. A man died on the road. He was mad. Here this word is an adjective. So you have to add this adjective before this subject. So a mad man died on the road. In this way, there are many types of examples whom you have to add by adjective, conjunction and adjectival phrase into one simple sentence. So I hope that you will be read this video and after then you will find your homework and honestly you have to complete that homework till the approach time, till the fixed time. Thank you.